We continue our presentation on state of petrochemical industry in the Middle East and Northern African region. This segment focuses on geographic and demographic information and statistics in this region. This chart compares the land area for MENA region with the land area in China, Eurozone, and US. And as you see here, the MENA region has a land area over 11,000 square kilometers, fairly large land area. In terms of population, over 500 million people, mostly young and educated population. And here's a comparison of population of this region with China, Eurozone, and the US. Population under 15 accounts for 25 to 30% of total population in Turkey, Iran, Egypt, and Saudi Arabia. And here is the population distribution in Iran and Turkey. And as you see here, a fairly young population. Demographic and economic consideration, total GDP of the MENA region is, in terms of purchase power parity, was estimated at about 8 trillion in 2013. Countries including Iran, Turkey, Egypt, and Saudi Arabia cover the largest land area and account for about 54% of total population and over 62% of GDP in purchase power parity. Private consumption has grown at a rate of 7 to 10% in recent years. This is well above the world average. MENA region has one of the strongest expenditure growth rates in recent years. It was 9.1% between 2006 to 2016. And this is mainly due to the rapid growth in urbanization and the population growth, and specifically the educated population in this region. Per capita GDP covers a wide range from 1,600 per year in Afghanistan to over 67,000 in UAE. This wide distribution of income has resulted in significant differences in the development of consumption profile and consumer habits and practices in this region. Large market with growing purchase power. Again, a comparison of GDP per capita is shown here for MENA region with China, Eurozone, and US. Economic indicators for selected countries, Iran, Turkey, Egypt, and Saudi Arabia. These are the largest populations in this region and also the largest economies. Population is from around 30 million in Saudi Arabia to over 82 million in Egypt. Population under 15 years of age range from 25% in Iran to over 32% in Saudi Arabia. And there is a comparison given with Italy and South Korea. More on economic indicators, per capita GDP ranges from 10,000, over 10,000 for Egypt to 52,000 in Saudi Arabia, and the GDP growth ranges from 3.5% to 6%. World Competitive Index as provided by Global Competitive Report, indicates 62% of population in the MENA region is in the efficiency-driven state of development. This region scores relatively high on dimensions such as health, education, market size, and macroeconomic environment metrics. And finally, an important issue in this region is the impact of water shortage on agriculture and food supply, and on urban development. And as you see here, shown with yellow color and the dark orange color here, the Northern Africa and the Saudi Arabia area is kind of categorized in the water scarcity area, and then Iran and Turkey still have water shortage in certain areas.